Periodic table history. The first attempt at periodic table was by Antonio Lavoisier in 1789 when he published a list of 33 chemical elements. He grouped them into gases, metal, non-metal and earth. In 1829, John Wolfgang improved this table by observing the similarity in the chemical property of traits of elements and grouping them, thus giving the rise the law of traits. Several chemists made revision to the table, but no scheme could satisfy the correct grouping. Alexander Emile Beguer de Cactois published a periodic table in the form of helix in 1862. The elements were arranged in a spiral on a cylinder and were the first arrangement of to hint at the periodicity or in the properties. De Cortis indexed the element by increasing the atomic weight and showed that similar chemical properties were reflected after the regular intervals. The first edition of modern periodic table was published by Mendeleev in 1871. Mendeleev's periodic table had 8 columns each containing elements with the similar properties. The columns were numbered 1 to 8 and also had the empty cells for elements that had not been discovered yet, but Mendeleev predicted they should exist. As chemists discovered more and more elements, these gaps were filled. The common or standard form of the modern periodic table is attributed to Horace Groves Deming. The published the short and medium forms of the table in 1923 that soon come into circulation and universal acceptance. Periodic table grouping method groups. The 18 vertical column of the table called groups and the number of the electron in the outermost shell of the atom, that is valence shell, is equal all the element in the same groups. The leftmost group containing alkali metal and the rightmost containing noble gas. Elements in the same column exhibit similar chemical properties and display periodicity with an increase in atomic number. ये हो गया आपका ये हो गया अल्कली ग्रुप, ये हो गया अल्कलाइन अर्थ ग्रुप, ये हो गया आपका ट्रांजिशन मेटल। यहाँ पे दो जो है वो हो गया लैक्टिनाइड और एक्टिनाइड सीरीज़, और ये हो गया आपका नोबल गैस। The group and numbered 1 to 18 from the left to right. Earlier naming conventions differed in Europe and America. However, after the IUPAC naming was put in the place in 1988, old names went out of use. As we move down a group, atomic radius increases, electronegativity decreases except for group 11. Ionization also decreases. Periods. Vertical row are called periods. Lactinide and actinide in the F block display more similarity in the same period than in the same group. On moving left to right in the period, atomic size decreases due to the stronger nuclear force. Ionization increases, electronegativity increases, electroaffinity also increases except for noble gases. Block की बात करें, the section of the table are called blocks. Each block gets its name from the letter of the outermost subshell that receives an electron. 4 blocks are S block, D block, P block or F block. Metal, non-metal and metalloids. S block comprises of alkali metal group 1 and alkaline earth metal in group 2. जैसे कि अगर हम ये हो गया अल्कली और ये हो गया अल्कलाइन, ये हो गया अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल। पी ब्लॉक की बात करें, पी ब्लॉक कंटेन्स ग्रुप 13 to 18 इंक्लूडिंग द मेटलॉइड्स। Okay. D block consists of grouping groups 3 to 12 and has all the transition metal. F block, home of the lactinide and actinide series. This group do not have the group number. On the basis of their physical and chemical property, elements divided into three category: metal, non-metal or metalloid. Metal, highly conductive solid and make ionic compound with other elements. They are also further divided into alkali metal group 1 and alkaline earth metal group 2, lactinide and actinide series F in F block, and post transition metal form alloy with each other. This is called a table. And non-metal, colored or colorless solid, liquid or gas that undergo covalent bonding with other elements. They are usually further classified into polyatomic, diatomic, monoatomic, inert, non-metals. Metalloid, these properties are a mixture of the properties of the metal, and their properties are a mixture of properties of metal and non-metals. In this periodic table you can see that the green color denotes for metalloids, and pink color denotes for metal, and blue color, a sky blue color denote non-metal, in which helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are a inert gas. You can say that noble gas. This form is obtained by inserting a F block between the S and D blocks instead of place the row at the bottom. Disconnected from the table, it makes the trends and increase in atomic number easier to see, however is avoided on account of difficulty in printing. Beniphase spiral table, made up of Otto Theodor Beniphase. The elements are arranged in a continuous spiral with hydrogen at the center and the transition element lactinide, actinide, and actinide occupying peninsulas. This is the Beniphase spiral table. In this table, hydrogen is at the center, and all the elements are arranged in a subsequent manner. Thank you.